Hey fellas, as you can see on my table it's a Dewalt impact driver, and this one have intermittent switch working, so I think you know what problem it is. If you know, please let me know in a comment. Okay, what can we see now? We have the dust here, we need to clean them. Okay, I'm disconnecting the LED light. We'll make some more movement space for the wire here. Okay, let's try to open the switch. And now carefully we want to get the spring out. Okay, I want everything to be seen on the camera. Okay. Now where we have the problem in these terminals. They are moving back and forward, getting dirty, they have no contact. Do we have dirt here? Yes, of course we have the contact grease. Okay. I want to clean this one a little bit. Okay, just brush it at this here. We need to not forget the sealing here, but it's basically like an O-ring. Sometimes it won't want to go inside easily. Okay, we have the switch installed. Now we can close the switch housing. Getting the wires back, connecting the LED. And getting the wires back in place. Okay, now we have our housing closed, and we can try and test it with a battery. Now we can clearly see that the problem is gone, so we need to assemble it. Now we need to fit everything very nicely in our housing, how it was. Okay. Have it here, double checking for the direction changing button. Okay. All the screws are in. We will glue the stickers. First of all, we need to test it. You can see that the S is a little swelling. I will ask the customer if the problem or not, but the main problem is fixed for now. And so test it, kiss it, and say goodbye. For you, bye.